Welcome. I'm Vanshita Gupta, a product manager for SCM. Today we're learning how to achieve continuous policy assurance. Meet AI Canvas, the ultimate data exploration tool. It transforms your complex data into real-time interactive insights and dynamic reports fast. Let's see how it masters a critical challenge, proactively validating policy changes. Imagine Tony, a network security administrator at Innovate Tech Solutions. His job is managing security policies for thousands of users. Recently, Tony was notified that the finance team couldn't access a vital application. Tony investigated and fixed the issue by modifying the tolerated traffic inline rule. But the job's not done. He needs to verify the fix worked as intended without creating new security risks. To perform this rule change analysis, Tony is building a custom dashboard in AI Canvas. Tony starts by creating a new widget selecting firewall traffic as the data source to ground his investigation in the traffic logs. He performs a broad audit asking AI Canvas to show me the top 10 rules hit by total traffic. He briefly inspects the generated query to ensure the data logic is sound. The graph immediately confirms that the rule is active and processing a healthy volume of traffic. He saves this widget to his widget library. Now the critical check. Did the right application get through? Tony prompts, show me all the unique applications hitting the tolerated traffic inline rule. Tony instantly spots the required business app on the list, validating the fix. Simultaneously, he scans the list for any unexpected risky apps that may have slipped through. None found. He saves this widget. To further analyze the results of his change, Tony needs a timeline comparison. He asks, what are the top applications hitting the tolerated traffic inline rule this week versus last week? Use total session counts per each application and limit your response to 10 applications. AI Canvas handles the complex aggregation effortlessly. The resulting graph shows the target application traffic increasing this week, confirming the policy change had the intended effect. He saves this insight. Next, Tony confirms the audience. He asks, show me unique users hitting the tolerated traffic inline rule. The finance team users are actively hitting the rule. But he needs to be absolutely sure that they are reaching the specific application. He simply refines his request asking for the top 25 users and applications combined. This gives him a detailed forensic breakdown. He views the table and confirms that finance users are now successfully generating traffic for the authorized tool. Seeing the specific user-to-app connection affirms that the access issue is fully resolved. This completes his verification. Tony is now ready to build his canvas. Using the intuitive drag-and-drop interface, he pulls his widgets from the library: traffic volume, app table, change comparison, and user verification, and arranges them into a custom layout. He renames the canvas Rule Analysis Dashboard. He hasn't just run a search, he has built a permanent workspace for continuous policy assurance. He can now monitor this policy change over time and easily add new widgets to validate other rule updates side by side in the same view. Tony wants to share these findings with his leadership team. He downloads the report to his personal machine to review it. The report consolidates all his visualizations, providing clear proof that the access issue is resolved without introducing new risks. Satisfied, Tony sends it directly via email to close the loop with leadership. Ultimately, by verifying the rule change in minutes with AI Canvas, Tony can minimize service disruptions, streamline operations, and accelerate resolution times. That's just one more way that with Strata Cloud Manager, you can do it. And to learn more about AI Canvas, please visit our website or speak to your sales representative today.